Molweni bahlali, welcome to Sporting Culture. Igama lami uBhungulothu Simama aka umqeqeshi. Dama noTamziya ficaleni kwaMpuli kunjani?
Phela muthu akona kunjani?
Ngiyaphileka futhi akhonto. Celebration all over the country. Yeah, Tamziya ibafana. Ubona njalo umdlalo Tamziya?
Yo Phodi. Bomhleqethu umdlalo. uHugo wenze lento eSouth Africa kudala ifuna, you know. I-players ozidlaleleyo, formation ayidlalileyo, you know, tactics involved. Ilento kudala siyifuna, lento kudala siyikhwaza, siyibonile from la game yeCzechia. Banazi lento siyifunayo. But now also uyakhumbula last session yethu I mentioned nokubana now unyanzelekile into yobana adlale ngo-10. Yabo, he must play a number 10 to start. Introduce second half sesileqa igame, yabo. So ezalanduka suspensions isincedile to force Hugo Broos's hand to play Urele, start him as a 10, so that's been a creative juice flowing in that midfield. I enjoyed the game. The first half we were on fire. Iphele first half, see 1-0 up. You know, there were chances up. Maseko was wasteful. Kakulu. You know, there's also another cross, I think from Rele or Apolis early in the game. Yeah, I think 7-8 minutes. Evidence Mahopa tries to connect in Tloko. I feel like he should have done better. There he makes contact. Yeah, but ayo conducting akho and it's not on target. Yeah, there's a bowler area you feel like uyibethe kahle defender wangena phambi kwayo. Yabo. Umuntu esacinga bano ulindile wangena phambi kwayo through a header. Yamkweta enhloko kanye egxelebeni yabo yaphuma. I'm like, yeah. But it was a start of seeing, but no, sayibamba the game. And we actually did. Le German City, Maseko was wasteful for me, for everyone. You know, he cuts in nice, but now we let down. Why uzo blaster a ball in front with players? You know, there's players in front of you, and you're kicking the ball directly to these players, and you're giving the ball away. You know, so if we noticed with the introduction, Kasson second half, with South Korea, Tana a drifter, you know, cutting in, ekhangela lakhela, we close him down. It doesn't take a shot. Uphela a passer to a winger or whoever is around. Yabo, but let's recycle or masizame kwakhona. You know, that's what we want from uMaseko. You know, sibonile nakwezinye teams where okay, ivalelekile lento ifunayo, but now pass the ball and then we try and redo it. Yabo, that's where I think Maseko should work on. That's what he should work on. Otherwise, he ended up redeeming himself with a goal. We also had a bit of a scare early in that. I think Ilan Gayabo was to try and score early. You know, Abana's goals, they don't have goals in them. Yeah, so they tried to score early. You know, there's an opportunity. A shot that was taken by a player called Leaking In. I think he was number 19. Leaking in, but fortunately it was off target. I think bathi udlalela i-champions zelanduka the UEFA,
Paris Saint-Germain.
PSG, yeah, Paris Saint-Germain. Yeah, udlalela yona, you know, and you can see by his quality player, you know. But again, in South Africa, we have talent. We have a great talent pool. It's just that we need it to be used in ngendlela right. You know, there's Ulanduka cuts in, Umaseko cuts in nice, but now Ipola Ibekele a bit far from him. Umbad left, beautiful shot, save wangukeeper. Evidence Mahopa, Ngwana says, Besithi, okay, I think height, you know, and playing in and around the box, you know, it happened all our South Africans. Now Ngwana says, Kondibambelele emlonyeni ba like what the heck, like uyiphosa njani into enje or umpha njani ukhipha into enje, yabo, even if it was to be ruled offside, yabo, like kasinike la chance siye ku-VAR ke siyibone uba yi-offside nyhani okokuqala, you know, and then we i-confidence yethu iyanyuka ingenile netini, even if ayibalanga ingenile, it makes it imnika i-confidence yena, it gives you that confidence but no, apha we're on the right track, yabo, uzawukhala uzoleka kungekudala, you know, we needed that from uLanduka uMakgopa, you know. So yeah, it was a beautiful game, beautiful goal by Umfethu kweza khathini kudala bezenza, uyambona again ukhabe kuseki player phambi kwakhe but fortunately yangena phansi yayishibo and then went straight to goal. Yeah, so I'm not sure, Hope I am sure, but you have something to add. You know, I called it.
Yeah, no.
I called it. That siyaphuma kwi-group stages. And indlela esidlala ngayo le game, esidlale ngayo i-game yeLanduka, ye-South Korea, it's how we wanted to start the tournament. You know, but uHugo decided ukwenza enye into esingayazi, but this is how we wanted to start. Yeah, definitely sure we could have finished phezulu, you know, if we started iLanduka the tournament kolhlobo sidlala ngayo, you know, with number 10, you know. Yeah, I think we should have done, you know, better than number 2, and also asingo third best. So number 2, we qualified for the World Cup, and then we got out of, we survived the group stages, proving that we qualified. We have a talent pool that is great. It's just that we'll get back to how they struggle to take a criticism, coach and the players. Yeah, but mandikunike bhuti,
yeah, no, Damsi. A great points ezenzayo. So as you can mna kumuntu be khange ngikwazi uvuka ekuseni, yabo. So I have to catch up during the day, yabo, but nayibukela yonke igame as a whole. But i-momentum ke biseyimikile ne-excitement ne-emotions zayo, yabo, because abantu bebukela ekuseni, yabo. But I have picked up izinto ezithethayo that we have seen a better South Africa. I have said South Africa izophuma egroupini because of I have known uBruce, yabo. I have known indlela asebenza ngayo, yabo. That change, let's give him a credit. I give him a credit. That change from the game Czechia, that shows good, you know, I will change indlela ngayo yena, I adopt to i-style esisibonile because ube ngumuntu othanda ibhola naye. He's one of the people who Hugo Broos othanda ibhola nahlala ngayithetha ba ufuna combination play, short passes and midfield and nendoni, yabo. But kule tournament ubonile ba those things are gonna be a danger for yena. If uzawubetha za combination nendoni ubreko kwaye lapho bushiz isena back set obviously siyavula sazazi, then kuzawuqhotshozwa and then abulawa. That is why bezame kula first game ukwenza into ne5 phakathi, so that whatever into yenzekayo xa kubrekwa in kukho abantu abakhavela nayo, yabo. So uya kule game check uzwa kule game South Korea that have changed, uadoptile kwi-style esithile so that abe no winning games zakhe. But why mamele South Africa, because South Africa has been complaining ngento yi-1 kuye. We need to see Orere, we need to see Police, we need to make sure we have someone tall efront uzawuthini uzahold ibhola athini, yabo. Ofrosla bakulento bakuyo mental state sabo siko-crane from i-club level to iLanduka ibafana yabo. So into ezilawe then wayithatha advice yethu ezinantsika i-supporters and as i-South Africans, yabo. Wazana lento ba okay, number 10 mabaze kwa early talent yethu South African president ama-2000 ayifake early on Makgopa, well done Makgopa. Play very well, Makgopa holding ibhola, make sure that they are available, and I've seen Urere moving everywhere kula midfielder, making sure into banga i-link up zakhe noLanduka noMakgopa, there's the links up, yabo. And even alomfana kule nto uyichoyo ba ube useful kakhulu Maseko, because there was a chance ba Urere amkhuphayo, I think phezu ko-center but bethwe kuye wemka wothatha i-shot ufuna hey ungonethi ukuthatha le shot kanjani. There was another chance whereby Urere kaveri yaphinda amkhupha second half, but before igoal ba uyamkhupha ba suppose ukhupha ku-Police, but yabo udecide, yabo. So those are the things of Maseba. Yes, Maseko besemilweni because ubona bentwana izawukora, ubona bentwana iyafighta pick up sweet defense yethu. Buddha's have worked hard, Mbokazo, Akho have worked hard. I've seen something that is why I pick up and I've seen ibhola ibethiwe kuMbokazi. Defense yethu ahedwa bhanqa iheda nale player imbokwazi le player ndani ingathi yona khange ibone beinanti ke iphiyaphi ibhola yabo but umbokwazi quickly usemveni kwayo le player but quickly wangena phambi kwayo phela force ba sharp on defense yethu when focus yabo. I love windows lawo eba we make sure no bangabani winning the ball ilaluka iattack team say frustrated. So yeah, I said Londo lewe bangamana South Africa have to isn't something so that's why we are convinced but Buddha you are doing something alright, which is inhle ngoku and go to ilanduka last 32. Those are the things that funos bona singabalandeli even including myself ndifuna ubona ba ibafana stand up to countries ezidlala nazo, making sure into bangamana yabo umnyinyiva yoba last 16 abo bhayo ibala ke mina umnyinyiva bhayo ibala kwindlela edlala ngayo kwindlela approach ngayo games ayo. So hopefully ke kule nto utshoyo nantsika suspension entoni because bazawubuya lamashite umkwena yabo so
yeah into ongabuyiyo ngozwana and kuvakala into yokubana uFIFA akayivumi uyilifta la suspension, you know, of which uSafa nathi ke both we think it was a bit harsh for the punishment of 3 games. Why not 2 games? But yeah, abazoyilifta. So for Uthemba Zwane to play, we will have to win against Canada first, which is it's very doable. Now just for ababantu bebe bakubuza bawuthini ngoku now that it's South Africa umile kwi group stage
no diphela lona Tasi diphela lona nxa sithi bangabana because of uBruce Benmazi yabo so uBruce adoptile yabo uBruce Benmazi umuntu nenkani bezawustika to izinto zakhe but adoptile ngokwepa azisa amahoba because amahoba besimazi ba akamqalisi yabo so adoptile wazisa no rere as early as possible which is amdlalisa ilanduka ku first minute yabo. So I was saying that because of benziyazi ba uBruce akazokwenza ihlobo yabo sifila ngalo sibona ngalo because mostly lento buyisho ba sibona ba number 10 bedlala kwa early game yabo. So like wenze into right for bafana mina benimjongela ohlobo but that's bendistia kwinto ba asiphume egroupini because ndiyamazi ba uzaza ohlobo Hugo Bros. So one phoxa ke ngwakaza ohlobo ndimlindele aze ngalo which is South Africa because dakade I have no doubt by South African talent quality khona yabo but indlela beyuswa ngayo bemisuswa bemisunderstandwa ngocoach wethu esinayo for almost 6 years yabo. So now I was saying that ukuba ndibona indlela yena azenza ngayo izinto but big ups to ibafana big ups to Hugo Bros for adopter
ayathemba ngabantu
akhola abahlalo
you know we have to shout out for a great performance. Sithole. We even took away Salrape la kama Saltsema. We were pissed, you know, because it's alien to us, Lalandoka. It's very foreign to us in the Budlalo, you know. So yeah, tempers were high.
Yes.
So udlalile kabe great, redeemed himself ngendlela superb, you know. Urele was on fire. Ebemphakela, you know, uMaseko many times bemphakela. Ombatha, like the team gelled. There were moments of frustration after we got the goal. After we got the goal, ufumaniseka ba ngoku sizichazela ba siya defend. Sikhaba ibhola to no man's land, basically giving the ball away. For I don't know for ixesha elingakanani but ufumaniseka ba ngoku we are allowing these people to have the ball. Luckily abana outlet, you know. Abakwazi usislice, abakwazi usenza nix, you know. But earlier on you saw corridor ba izithazele ba izawukora early as I mentioned. And then bazawuzama usebenzisa wing to cross, you know. Somewhere, somehow, they believed in Obana they have aerial presence as in Zethu, you know. And also they believed offense is about Coach Wabo. The city offense, Mexicans, Cesar, support, you know. The weather, I don't know, like, Hugo mentioned it, but the Africans, you know, will adapt better kula weather kuba bushushu, and we did, you know. Nalando yeza crosses abo, it didn't work. So yeah, amajita sebenzile, Osela, everyone, yeah. For a group, ebenekwa 7% chance to get out of a group stages. You know, yenzeka kuhle. Even the man behind the camera, Uprati, one among them.
Big ups, Tamsi.
7%. You know, so now moving on to Canada. Now, before we move to Canada, there are other African nations that have already qualified. Others stand a better chance depending on how many goals they score when they win.
No, big ups to Ilanduka. I think Cote d'Ivoire have qualified for the last 32. Morocco have qualified for the last 32. And Ghana standing a chance because on 4 points. And also Algeria standing a chance because I think they have 3 points also then. And there are still games to play because team is bizarre. Yeah, but tough luck to Egypt now still have a good chance. Tough luck to Ilandu Tunisia. It was not good tournament. I think this one must be by forgotten. 2026 World Cup. But to other countries that have been there participating and make sure they lift the flag up high as South Africa. Yeah, big ups to all those guys. Hopefully short times is sure.
Yeah. If you mention la lizwe lipali island
Cape Verde.
Capo Verde.
Yeah, no.
1 or 2 draws, a game in hand. If they win that game,
then by qualifying now, hopefully so. No, to be fair, it's the first time we've seen our team in the knockout stages. We are going against Canada. It's one of the hosting nations in Canada, and then they have me back up the supporters. So yes, so it's a big stage for us because we are playing one of the host, basically host group in Mexico. Now we are out of a group still another host. It's a big game for us as a South African. Yeah. Now this is so much host. 2010. Yeah, no, beautiful Tamsi. Otherwise,
what I also picked up on the socials is that Amajita, I think they are struggling with our phone criticize. I don't know, like Badlale Ipola Embi. Yeah, well, they played a game that was foreign to what we know. It was alien. It was the worst football we've ever seen. Maybe the worst opening World Cup game. Yeah, well. And now you hear Oronza or Williams saying, people criticize us. It's football. This is sport. It's football. It's competitive. Now that bad. We have to criticize you. Yeah, well, you have to know, but we are not behind this type of tactic because we believe they have better. They can do better. Yeah, well, like they did against the Czechia, like they did against the South Korea, you know. So I feel like Amajita, they must just get off that thing of we are being criticized, you know. Hugo Bros believed in us, you know. If Hugo Bros believed in you guys, he would have played Lendo with the same type of football, you know, and structure, you know, formation. Clear game in Mexico. Unless there's something else deeper. I've mentioned the cartel.
Envelope.
So there's a lot, you know, maybe there's something way heavier, but we have to criticize, like, it was bad.
So
Majid, I think they should step away from that. People are criticizing us and move on to better things. Serhul, Canada.
Tamsi, to what I've seen Kwinanzika kwezi game sizidlaleyo, and I think Canada have lost one of the players abo uphukile pha kwezi game top man yabo umjito odlala kakhulu. So I think we have a better chance now. We have a better chance yokuthi match up to la game yelanduka depending on the situation between mhlawumbe we can take it to a penalty. So I'm seeing us, you see, winning ilanduka last 32.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, andise ngapha kule camp yakho. I know.
Because I didn't know we'll have like a last 32. I thought we'll have a last 16.
Yeah.
And that no, saphuma ke last 8. Now that's we last 32. You know, knowing that now there's 32 players, teams. I mean, we knockout phase. I think of course siyadlula ke Canada. Siyadlula Canada. Even if it's a throw in the game, we kick penalties. Siyadlula with Canada. You know, and then if in Netherlands, in Morocco beats in Netherlands, isenza le favor nkulu singayibetha Morocco.
There's a chance
siyotsho kula last ndondoni kula last 8. I know ulanduka utaseda ubrawam. I was saying even the last 8, and he was like, Aish, you are pushing your luck. But there's also ulobo undlela. He wrote by Hugo Bros ndlela le anezinto ngayo angabuyela kulala la formation yala game yokuqala against Mexico. But I think this game that we played against South Korea, we played it ngendlela ekumele basidlala ngayo i-knockout. I-knockout kuthi la game. Because it was hamba kaya time or so same nalena ke knockout Canada is hamba kaya time. You know, we have to come out guns blazing. We are supporting Amajita. You know, so we'll not asongena kwabo bangasupportiyo, but siyayivala ihlobo.
Sure.
Ngosini bahlali. Sithaba Sporting Culture. Peace.